Hey, it's Alex from Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. It's that time of year, it's SEMA time, and it's 2019, and we are in the Ford booth. We're gonna be taking a close-up look in this video at the 2019 F-150 Super Crew built by the guys over at DRAGG. We also got a chance for a quick interview with Daniel a little bit earlier today. And we're here with Dan from the DRAGG program to talk to us a little bit about this new build. Dan, tell us about the project build. What inspired this?
Wow, you know, Alex, we've been to the show here a few times, and this truck right here is a special project for us. As you know, with DRAGG, we're a first responder type of program, after school program for kids, but then our day jobs were responding to the needs of the community. And with this truck, we can go off-road. We can do anything we want in it. If you know about the DRAGG program, we've actually built Mustangs, Ford Mustangs, in different variations for Ford in our program, where the pavement, good racy, type of pavement options for us with the Mustang. But when we run out of pavement, then this guy takes off after that and goes and gives help where it's needed out in the deserts and mountainous areas and things like that.
That's awesome. It's been really fun to watch the DRAGG cars out there drifting around on the pad at Ford out front. I don't think you're going to be able to do that in this year, but tell us a little bit about which mods went into the truck that are your favorite. There's obviously hundreds of things on this truck, but what stands out to you? Right,
so this truck is, we refer to it as the Desert Defender, all right? And the mods that stick out the most here is obviously the Roush supercharger, which Ford Performance provided for us for this build. That gives us the power, the torque that we need to get off-road and get to those people that are in need. Putting out a little over 700 horsepower, which is nice. And with the F-150 package, four-wheel drive package, it's nice. So BDS did a great job on the suspension. It's a 6-inch lift with 1552s with BF Goodwrench wrapped around them. We also have a lighting package, which everyone can see, right behind us, to kind of move some things out of the way when we're trying to get out there to help those in need. But the light package is done by West Coast Lights and Siren out in Riverside, California, and Rigid Lighting, who is a fixture out here at SEMA with the lighting that helps us at nighttime if we need to get some places.
Absolutely, and these are the lights that none of us want to see unless we actually want to see them, but thanks, those Rigid Lights really doing a great job. Now, the DRAGG program is really unique. The story behind this I love. So why don't you give folks who aren't familiar a little bit of an idea about what the DRAGG program is actually doing?
Yeah, the DRAGG program has been around for a little over 9 years now. We're a youth automotive program, an after-school program for high school kids. For our youth out there today, they're just looking for direction or looking for positive things to get into. And as police officers, my partner, who's also a Sergeant Charles Woodruff, we put this program together to keep kids busy, keep them off the street, get them into the shops, wrenching on some cars and projects, even if it's their own cars. We all had a car at one point in high school. Teach them how to look at different things on their cars, understand the car at basic levels. And I tell you what, it's been a great program for a lot of our kids, and they've gone off to work for manufacturers, and heck, they get jobs in the industry, and that's our goal, is to get these kids off the street and into better things.
That's awesome. And DRAGG is an acronym. Why don't you tell us what that is, and also tell us where can people learn more about that?
Right, so DRAGG, D-R-A-G-G, DRAGG Racing Against Gangs and Graffiti. Gangs and graffiti, sometimes not the best things in our communities, so we try and target that and say, hey, you know what, don't get into gangs, don't do graffiti, try and get into positive things here in life. And as police officers, we feel that's kind of our second obligation to the community, to say, hey, we care about you and want to do something good for you. And that's why our shop exists. We're in Phoenix, Arizona. We're in Santa Barbara, California. We're just now going to be opening up in Los Angeles, California, and home base is in Oxnard, Ventura County. So if anyone wants to learn more about it, dragteam.org is our website. We're also on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook at DRAGG Team.
And all the past DRAGG builds can be found, including this one, at Motoroso.com/Ford SEMA 2019. Thank you, Dan. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, Alex. Always a pleasure.
That's all we've got for this video, but if you want all the details of this build, you can check it out at motoroso.com/Ford SEMA 2019. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for all of our SEMA coverage. And when you're shopping for your parts and accessories, make sure you check out the Motoroso marketplace at motoroso.com. You can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free. Thanks for watching.